Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a simple but really cool patterns on a regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So this is our Rubik's Cube. Ang unang pattern na gagawin natin ay cheese board pattern. So, gagawin natin is 2 times 2 times lang, taga side. Una, dito sa right, 2 times. Second, dito sa left, 2 times. Next, dito sa down, 2 times. Dito sa up, 2 times. Dito sa front, 2 times. And dito sa back, 2 times. This is it. So nakita nyo, ito yung cheese board pattern. Yeah. So, 1, 2. Okay. Ibalik natin. 2 times. 2 times. 2 times sa baba. Sa taas. Sa back. And sa front. Tadaan! So, ang susunod na pattern na gagawin natin ay ang center spot pattern. So, this is our top, back, right side, left side, bottom, tsaka front side. So, i-up natin yung dalawang red. Then, reverse tong nasa right na blue. Then, yung 2 layers natin, pa-reverse natin pa right. Then, itong first layer is pa-reverse natin pa left. Then, itong red na to, ipapababa natin. Just pababa. Yan. And then, itong sa top natin, ipa-reverse natin pa right. And yung sa down, ipa-reverse natin pa right din. Yan. So, we got a center spot pattern. Yan. Green, white, blue, yellow, red, orange. So, to undo this pattern, we need to choose a color. For example, yellow. Ito. Yung yellow, ilalagay lang natin dito. Or, ang ito, ilagay natin dito. Pa-up. Then, itong sa right side, i-reverse din natin pa-up. Yan. So, if nakita nyo na may blue dito, hanapin natin si blue. Ito. Then, reverse tayo pa right. Then, yung bottom natin, pa-reverse din natin pa right. Yan. So, i-up lang natin tong si blue. And reverse. Yan. Then, reverse. And reverse. So, ang ika-third na pattern na gagawin natin is ang cube in the cube. So, itong si top, pa-reverse natin to the left in 2 times. 1, 2. Yan. Yan. So, dito sa front, i-reverse natin to 2 times. 1, 2. And for the right face, we need to 2 times din natin. I-up natin. 1, 2. After that, ito turn natin to reverse si up, stop, pa, right side. 1. Yan. Yan. Then, to reverse in the left side, 1, 2. Then, also, pa-reverse natin to right yung bottom natin. 1. Then, tung sa back, i-counterclockwise natin pa left. Yan. Ito ba? Then, reverse natin tung blue pa up. Yan. Then, counterclockwise again, pa right si back. Then, right counterclockwise dito sa side. Then, clockwise again sa back. Then, right counterclockwise again sa side. Yan. Then, reverse natin tong si bottom into the left side. Then, reverse natin tong si left side into 2 times. 1, 2. And then, counterclockwise natin tong si top. Oops. 2. So, here it is. Cube in the cube pattern. So guys, yun yung tatlong patterns na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Sana nagustuhan nyo at may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And if you like this video, just click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and God bless.